Scott from League City has a question about dryer venting.
Yeah, he's dealing, ready for this? He's dealing with this.
That's a nice job.
That's a quality piece of
that blue paint. That's for a painter's paint.
It took a professional to come up with this. Don't you agree?
A painter fixed it.
Right. Well, actually, a dryer vent cleaning company removed a vent booster fan, claiming it wasn't necessary and caused more of a fire hazard and would charge more to clean because of the fan. As you saw, they did a poor job reconnecting the attic vent pipe after removing the booster fan. So, Tom, is that fan necessary? I mean, he's got about a 25-foot run there, or does it help the dryer run more efficiently?
Well, first thing I want to ask him, I know that's a really lousy-looking job, okay?
Right.
But is it working okay now without the fan?
Right.
If it's working okay without the fan, I would just have another piece of metal put in there and use the proper connecting tape and put it together properly so it's a nice clean run, because that looks so silly. But as far as that goes, if it's not working now, then there was a reason that fan was put there. And it looks like that's a horizontal run. I don't think it's a vertical run. And so the fan, hot air rises, but it doesn't go sideways.
Right.
So I think a little fan was put there purposely.
So just because the guy didn't want to clean it was no reason to take it out.
Yeah, that's kind of a silly thing to say. Well, if we just take it out, we'll charge you less.
This is why not everyone qualifies to be a home show pro.
True.
That's true. So who should he call to have fixed that then? Which one of our pros would help him with that?
Well, in new construction, the guys who put all the vents together are the air conditioning guys.
Right.
So you could start with Absolute Comfort Air and see if they'll do it. But that's probably where I would start to see if they'll rerun the pipe for you and do it properly.
And I bet if they don't, they've got somebody they can recommend.
Yeah.
All right. You got a question? We recommend you send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. You'll find the Ask Tom button right in the middle of the homepage. Fill it out, send it in,
Ding.
and we'll answer it in one of these videos.